was.
How long ago was that? How old were you when Grandma and Grandpa Gallons came?
I was 2.
That's right, you were 2.
And how old was my grandpa?
He was 50. Wow. He would have been 54.
And I've been 2.
Yep, you were 2, almost 3.
Yep. And now I'm 3 now.
And you're almost 4, huh?
Yep, I'm almost 4 and 5.
No, just 4. You're almost 4.
Yeah, and I'm gonna be almost 5 when I'm 4.
No, it'll take you a long time to become 5 after you're 4. It'll be a whole year.
Yep.
What you building there, Jake? You building a tower? Oh no, it fell over.
Yeah. And Jake is 1.
Yep, Jake's 1. Well, he's almost 2. He'll be 2 very soon.
Yep, he'll be 2 very soon. But I was 2 when my Grandpa Gallons came. And Jake will be 2 I was when my Grandpa Gallons came.
Yep.
Yep.
Uh-oh. Lily's falling over.
I already did. Stop!
Jake, what are you doing? Why don't you go help Jake build the tower?